Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can record a Zoom meeting on Android phone. So in here, what you need to do first is open the screen recording apps on your phone. You can go to the settings, and in here, I'm going to scroll down. So in my phone, the names is Ask Capture. Also, it might be different on your phone. You can try search for screen recording on the settings. Okay, I'm going to just scroll down, and here is the recording apps on my phone, the Ask Capture. So you can see record screen in here, and since I'm recording now, I cannot do anything, but there are some settings that I can adjust before recording the Zoom meeting. The first one is record sound. So you can choose if you want to also record the meeting. You can just change the record sound into microphone audio and also the system phone. So anything that's come out on your phone, the sound, it will also capture or record it by the apps. Here you can also adjust the picture quality. I'm using high, the recommended one, and you can also disable any notifications while you are recording. Okay, after you set the screen recording, you can just open the Zoom apps. So when you start a new meeting, you can just go. There will be at the top the screen recording in the push notifications. This one, record screen, and also I have it on this easy touch. This one, screen recording. So you can just tap on your screen recording audio apps when you are in the meeting. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.